There were hundreds of school kids everywhere. After the Taj Mahal, this is the main thing we wanted to see. Now let's get inside and go to the top. This is a smaller model of his head. And this is a smaller version of the statue. That's him next to the current Prime Minister. He looks English on there because it's white. That looks like twins.
Look, what's that say?
Indian Thailand. Found something good.
What?
How old is the statue?
About 4 years, it's quite new.
There's a little movie theatre. There's a statue of me. What's this? Now it's time to go to the top.
Look, these are all other statues, Logan.
Jesus is the smallest statue.
Yeah.
Statue of Unity is bigger than
Yeah, it's the biggest one in the world.
It was really foggy. We couldn't see very far.
Hi bro, what is your name?
Logan.
What is your country?
England.
What is your father name?
Brett.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
A sniffer dog sniffing for bombs. This is the boat we went on the day before. Look at that island.
What is your YouTube channel? Pick me up. Second. Hi bro. How are you? Second. Oh, bye.
These kids are crazy.
कहाँ से हो? मैं ये ना पूछा, you are Your country.
England.
What is your name?
Brett. Your name?
My name is Dimit.
Okay.
My name is Viraj. From
England.
See, that teacher knocked him in the head. It's so foggy today.
We are all the way up.
When did it open?
कब खुला था? कब खुला था? 2018.
What is that metal?
थोड़ा सा तो मिला lead, zinc, tin, copper, 85% copper.
It made by four things. Zinc, copper, 85% is copper or
Lead,
zinc, tin.
Would it turn green like the Statue of Liberty?
ये क्या हरा हो जाएगा? Yeah, after 20 to 25 years later, it's gonna be turned into green. That is the second button of the blazer.
Look at his head. If I could go to the head, I would be so happy.
वेलकम है आपका स्टैचू में
And Statue of Liberty, Janvi, is the similar kind.
What?
That's a woman, that's man. Where's the button?
What button?
The button on his teeth.
Yeah, it's on the other side. Have you seen it?
A photo with our Indian soldier. Let's go back downstairs now. Look. It's like a museum at the bottom. What? English. We had to talk about the statue. I didn't know what to say.
My name's Brett. I'm from Doncaster in England. Ever since I seen it on the news in England when it opened in 2018, I knew one day I would be here. I love buildings like this, big tall things, and I knew one day I would definitely come, and today is the day I came. I've been to the top already. It is amazing, and yes, I like it so much, and so does the boy.
Look, I found him. It's him. I already found him. Pause it if you want to read any of the information. Look at the book. Another movie theatre.
જેના માટે ઘણા ભારતીય મુસ્લિમોનું સમર્થન મેળવ્યું હતું.
She's driving and mopping at the same time. Name
Look, you're on there, look.
You had to be over 18.
What do you call it?
Ola. One Mickey Mouse.
53,000 tons of reinforced steel were
required to plant the fault line running under the dam's foundation. The concrete used to build the dam, 6.8 million cubic meters, is enough to lay a road that circles the world twice. Equal and environmentally sound and sustainable development of Western India by providing the essence of life, water and energy in canal, which is the world's largest lined irrigation canal, measuring 458 kilometers in length, and Madhya Pradesh, the Sardar Sarovar Dam, 450.
Go now.
Me and my dad and his head.
Yeah.
Now we go up next to his feet.
Look how big it is.
Now this whole class wanted a photo with me.
Take yours. Okay. Okay. Go. Okay. Come on.
But first, let me take a selfie. Let me take a selfie.
Smile. Wow. Saras. Thank you.
That broke into pieces and it snapped on you. Look at the size of his toes.
Look how small we look next to his feet.
Touching the statue together. Speakers!
No, I don't think it's speakers.
There's a door right there. There's a door. I think this leads to the stairs. It's rock solid.
Feel it like that. You're allowed to touch. Do that. Someone else, kids.
Told ya.
You weren't telling me off. It was someone else.
It was looking at you.
Oh.
I'm smelling his feet. What can you smell his feet?
It's gone nice.
It smells like lemonade.
It's time to go to the next place now. That was really good.
You like the statue?
Yeah.
Come on in.
My Statue of Unity.
I'm glad there's escalators.
What is that drink?
Water, I think. Thank you.
What is it? It says I love unity. It is water, not very nice water.
We took this bottle all the way home for it to melt in the dishwasher.
Now we are going to the cactus gardens.
We got an official photo taken. Please hit the subscribe button.